If your construction site is a challenge, you need an all-terrain crane. Here's why. All-terrain cranes are the Swiss Army knives of the construction world. Got a rough, uneven site? No problem. These cranes can handle it. From skyscrapers to bridges, all-terrain. Cranes are built for versatility and power. Need to lift heavy materials in tight spaces? They've got you covered. Their adaptability makes them perfect for urban environments and remote locations alike. And with their impressive reach, no task is too tall. Whether it's a major infrastructure project or a high-rise building, you can trust an all-terrain crane to get the job done efficiently. So next time you're planning a big project, think all-terrain. Need more info? Call us at 510-930-0851. Let's build something great together.